Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install MeetMe application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store application. Now in the search bar, type in MeetMe. Here, click on the install button of MeetMe application. Now, after the app has been installed, click on the open button in order to use the app. So that is how you can install MeetMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.